Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn the chapter 5 Understanding Elementary Shapes. In this, the first exercise, that is 5.1, given in your textbook CBSE Board NCERT Mathematics of grade 6. So let's solve the questions given in the exercise 5.1. So here this is the first question. What is the disadvantage in comparing line segments by mere observation? So here they have given the first question as we have to tell them the disadvantage when we compare line segments by mere observation. So the disadvantage is there may be chance of error due to improper weaving. So in simple words, I'll tell you that, see here, if we have two line segments and only the difference between their lengths is just of half a centimeter or 1-2 millimeters, then even though they look even then also they look like a same measurement, so we can't say that they are of equal length. So it is better to use ruler or divider to measure their length instead of telling that they are equal by just mere observation. Okay. So now let's move to the second question, that is, why is it better to use a divider than a ruler while measuring the length of a line segment? So answer for this question is, it is better to use a divider than a ruler because the thickness of the ruler may cause difficulties in reading of her length. However, divider gives up accurate measurement. Yeah, just because of the thickness of the ruler, there may be changes of the reading of length. Therefore, it is better to use divider than ruler. Okay. Now, let's move to the third question, that is, draw any line segment, say AB, take any point C lying in between A and B, measure the lengths of AB, BC and AC. Is AB is equal to AC plus CB? Okay, as well as they have given us a note. That is, if A, B, C are any 3 points on a line such that AC plus CB is equal to AB, then we can be sure that C lies between A and B. Okay, so let's solve by using this question. So the first they have told us to draw any line segment, say AB. So here this is the line segment with the name AB. Okay. Now we have to take any point C lying in between AB. So here this is a point named as C, which is lying between AB. Now they have told us to measure the length of AB. So the measurement of length of AB is 20 centimeter. So AB is equal to 20 centimeter. Now we have to measure the length of BC. So it is BC is 12 centimeter. So BC is equal to 12 centimeter. Next we have to measure AC. So AC is equal to 8 centimeter. Now they have told us to whether AB is equal to AC plus CB. So let's check. So here, as we know, the measurement of AC and CB. So let's put the measurement of AC and CB in this equation. That is 8 centimeter and 12 centimeter. When we add them, we get 20 centimeter, which is equal to AB. Therefore, AB is equal to AC plus CB. Okay. So now we understood that if A, B, C are any 3 points on a line such that AC plus CB is equal to AB, as we got here, then we can be sure that C lies between A and B. Yeah, of course C is lying between A and B. Okay. Now let's move to the fourth question, that is, if A, B, C are 3 points on a line such that AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is 3 centimeter and AC is 8 centimeter, which one of them lies between the other two? Okay. So first we will write here the given things, that is AB is 5, BC is 3 and AC is 8. Now as see, if you observe these three lengths, you will understand that AC is 8 centimeter, right, which is greater than these two. And if you look that, see here AB and here BC. So this line segment starts from A and end at B, but this line segment starts from B and end at C. As well as if you add up these two lengths, 5 plus 3 gives us 8. So as AC is the longest line segment, thus B is the point lies between A and C. Okay? From these three measurements, we understood that B is lying between A and C. Okay? Now let's move to the next question, that is fifth one. Verify whether D is the midpoint of AG. Okay, from here, this is the figure which they have given us, and they have asked us, we have to find D. The point D is midpoint of AG. Okay, we have to start from A and G. Okay, so see, from figure we are understanding that the AD is 3 units, right? From A till D we have 3 units. Same way D to G is also 3 units. So as AD is equal to DG, D is the midpoint of AG. Okay. Now let's move to the next question, that is sixth one. If B is the midpoint of AC and C is the midpoint of BD, where A, B, C, D lie on a straight line, say why AB is equal to CD. Okay. So first we will write from given. Given is what? B is the midpoint of AC. From this what we understood, B is the midpoint of AC means AB is equal to BC, right? Let's give it one number, equation 1. Now the second statement what they gave, C is the midpoint of BD. From this what we understood, BC is equal to CD. Okay, so let's give this as a second equation. Now compare these two equations. See here, AB is equal to BC, but here BC is equal to CD. So from both these equation what we understood, AB is directly equal to CD. Okay, and that only they have asked us. So this is the answer. Now let's move to the next question, that is seventh one. Draw 5 triangles and measure their sides. Check in each case if the sum of the lengths of any two sides is always greater than the third side. Okay, let's see. Here I am drawing this 5 triangles, okay, with these measurements. So if you check, see here, if we add these two measurements, we are getting that 10, which is greater than this third side. Here also if we add these two, we are getting it is greater than third side. When we add these two, 5 plus 3 gives us 8, which is greater than 5u. Here in this diagram, 7 plus 6, which is equal to 13, which is greater than 8. If we add these two, that also sum gives us greater than 7. When we add these two, then also if we check anywhere, any like that way, you will get that the sum of the lengths of any two sides is always greater than the third side. Okay, so here the exercise 5.1 ends. If you like my teaching, then please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment box. I will clear it. Okay, so bye everyone.